This Daignault Realty Incorporated property video is presented by Christine Daignault. Large home on navigable canal in the heart of Merritt Island. Easy commute to Orlando, mere minutes to beautiful beaches. Updated interiors, granite counters, stainless steel appliances. Large open floor plan featuring huge 22 by 36 Florida room. Covered boat dock with 16K lift. Lawn maintenance included in rent. House is also available for sale. See MLS number 687,479 for more information. Review the details below or contact Christine Daignault at 321-591-3228.